Slide design by step-by-step PowerPoint. For creating this PowerPoint presentation, see the rest of this video. In first step, go to the tab Insert, Shape, and choose Rounded Corners Rectangle. Draw it. Then we need another shape, rectangle. Draw a rectangle as same as that you see. Now, select your first shape and then your second shape. Go to the shape format and merge shape. Select subtract. And the next step, we need another shape, circle. By shift key, draw a circle. Put it in the middle of this shape. Now, select your first shape and then your second shape. Go to shape format, merge shape, and make them union. Now, draw another rounded corner rectangles. Send it to back. It's time for changing your shape color. Before changing your color shape, duplicate your shape 2 times. Group them. Select all of them. Go to Arrange, Align, Distribute horizontally. Now select the first one and by Shift Ctrl G, ungroup them. Choose your favorite color palette. I download these 2 color palettes from colors.com. Select your first shape. Go to the shape format, More, Gradient. Choose your gradient and choose your favorite color. You need 2 gradient stock. Also, for your shape that is in top, you do not need lines. Remove your lines. For shape in the bottom, you do not need color fill. So put it in no fill or put it in a white color. White is better. And for the line, choose gradient line. You need 2 stop and change the color. For example, this color and this one. And now select it and change the line width. It's good for this. Do it for your other shapes and change their color. In this step, add effect on your shape with a shadow effect. Select your shape that they are on top. Go to the shape effect. Change the stance, put it in 8 and change its blur. Select the shape that they are in bottom. Go to the shape effect, preset, put it in this inside shadow center. Choose the distance and then change the blur. Okay, now you need this circle. Go to Insert and choose Circle. By Shift key, draw circle. Change its color to the white and no border. And then add shadow, inner shadow to this circle. Change the stance and blur size. Duplicate this circle 2 times. For these circles, you need icons. Download your specific icons that is related to your presentation. I download these icons. Now add your text. Go to the text box options and write your specific text. Change its size, font, and color. I add some shadow effect. Go to the text option in Format Shape and choose. Now duplicate it 2 times and put it on other shapes. For decorating these bubbles, draw a circle, remove the outline, and add gradient fill. After you choose your specific gradient fill, gradient color, go to the text shape effects, in soft edge, put it in 80 pt, it's okay, and then change it the transparency of your color. 70% is good for this. Both gradient stop, both of them should change this transparency, and duplicate it and put it and change their color. Now duplicate your slide, select your boxes. You can group them, bring them to out of your slide. Now select these bubbles, change their size and bring it to your slide. For the last step, change the position of this slide and bring it to the first slide, and select both of your slide and add MORPH transition to your slides. Now let's see what's happened. For creating a slide PowerPoint presentation, subscribe our channel. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.